everybody, it's me Fooling here, and today I'll tell you all about trees. I have made like on an app that it will bounce here and it will go there. It will totally make a mind map. But then now you can see that this is a princess. I think so, and it's like hello everyone. Let's start. Life cycle of a tomato tree. Here are the 5 parts: the seeds, young plants, mature plants, flowers, and fruit. Now, let's start first. This is the seed of the tomato. This is the young plants in the tomato tree life cycle. This is the mature plants in the tomato tree life cycle. This is the flowers of the tomato tree in its life cycle. And the last one is the fruit, a tomato. Well, I don't really like to eat tomato, but it's when it's in my dinner, I would still eat it. So I don't like it, but I still eat it. So I'll do a mind map of it. So it first is the seed, and then the young plants, mature plants, flowers, and fruit. This fruit looks yummy. Plants or tree need. What do they need? There are 4 things that they need. First, water. This is a picture of the water of it's raining, and then the water falls in the tree. Do you like this picture? I like it. I took it on the internet. And now air. Well, this is not the really picture of air. It's like it's like gas, but we can call it oxygen. There's oxygen all around here. And there's oxygen all around us. Now it is soil. You see soil over here? Well, it's a little bit dark, so you can't see it really well, but this is the picture of a hand holding soil. It's beautiful. The last one, sunlight. Here's the sunlight, and then here's the sunlight, and then it's between the trees here. This is in the forest, but it's beautiful, so I take it. These are all in nature. It is not in our house or anywhere else. It is in the nature. Parts of a plant. Why are there so many? No. Parts of a tree here? You'll know until now. Because there is a tree. Okay, this is the leaves. You see all of the green parts over here? It's leaves. The twig is pretty small. I think I'll use a pencil to point to it. These are the twigs. The twigs is much smaller than branch, but they're still a kind of branch. We could call it a small branch, but if we want it to be shorter, we should call it a twig. Really easy, right? Flowers. Do you like these flowers? I do. I like the color white of the petal, and I like this little dots of yellow over here. Fruit. There are many apples here. Do you know how many apples there are? Well, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17. So there are 17 apples. I think there are more than 17 apples on a real apple tree, but this is just like a cartoon tree. There's just 17. Now, branches. I already tell you that twigs is smaller than branch, but what is a branch? This is called branches because there are many branches here, but if you call one branch, it will be branch. Branch is the big, it's a big twig. You could call that that. You could call the branch that, but I think you should call it branch because I think none of, if you say there are 20 people, I think 0 people would say it's a big twig. They would say it a branch. And this is it's the biggest. Not the biggest, but it's the hardest part of the tree. The trunk. Look at this trunk. It's pretty short, right? I think so. And the important parts, it's the roots. Here's the roots. You like this roots? I like this roots because it's like, I think it's easy to draw. So, do you like my mind map today? If you do, remember to tell me. Thanks for listening. See you in the next time. Bye!